Back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to see recently watched videos on Facebook. So to do that, I'm heading over to the Facebook application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three lines icon on the top right. Now go to the videos section in here. And in here, suppose I'm gonna watch this video. So and after that I'm just skipping it to the last, and suppose I have watched this video, and if I go back and refresh my feed, now what I need to do to get back to the video again is tap on the human type emoji on the top right, and from here go to history, and here you will find the videos you have recently watched. So yeah, this is how easily you can just see the recently watched video. Hope this video helped you out, and we will see you in the next video.